see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me, but does this work? 'Cause I know I can't get to you.
Listen, I never. Listen, baby, I ain't never met no one like you. 'Cause I've been around.
Ang ulam natin ay, ano yan ma? Dito na, akin na. Ayan yung ating shiitake rice. Parang ano to, mas malaki. 1 cup to. Half cup lang yung usually kinakain ko. And meron tayong gulay na, ano ma to? Gulay na papaya, maanghang. Yes. Si Holly kumain ng breakfast egg. What biscuit? Yeah, upstairs. Go get it. Bring it here. Gusto niya yung keso. And prito. Pakita ka naman, mother. Si mother hindi nagpapakita. Gusto niya naman, naglaba siya kahapon ka ba naglaba mo? Tapos gusto niya naman magbabad ng sinuot ko kahapon, yung puti. Gusto niya ibabas. And meron tayong prito. Hi guys. Kumain na siya, nauna. Kasi ako, late ako kumakain. Pag hindi pa ako gutom, hindi ako kakain. So ngayon, 1:15 na. Pag sa Australia, alas 10 yung first meal ko. Pero pag hindi ako gutom, hindi ako kakain. Pero dito kasi, naamoy ko yung mga luto nila dun sa labas. Especially mga gulay-gulay na hindi natin ito nakakain itong may mga gata. Take advantage na natin na kumain. Baby! Salamat po, mother. Mother. Itong gusto ko dito pag umuwi. Hindi ako nagluluto. Si mother lang ang hindi naman si mama nagluto. Si ate. Pero pag doon sa bahay, gusto ko si mama magluto. Tsaka si father. Ay, nagluluto man. Minsan, nagluluto siya pag gusto kong, no, hindi ako gusto ko, alam mo kung gusto ko kalamansing, may toyo na may sili na sobrang anghang ko. Yan, ang gusto ko. So, yan na. Umuulan pala, guys. Ano ba naman ito? Sa Bicol maganda. Kausap ko yung kapatid ko. Sa Bicol maganda. You like that. Gusto ni Holly, so bibili tayo nito. Magdadala tayo nito sa Australia. Ang bango. Hindi mo rin naman siya yung, di ba ang sarap niya? Tapos, ako sa akin ang sarap niya. Pero yung isa sa akin, okay na. Hindi yung parang, di ba may masap na gusto mo halos ubusin? Hindi siya. Kaya, very good. You like it, right, Baba? Meron pa itong ibang flavor. Maybe, bilhin natin yung ibang flavor. May chocolate and butter. Ito si queso. Queso de bola. Medyo mabigat siya. Pero okay lang naman kasi wala na tayong dadalhin na mga chocolates, kape. Yun ang nagpagbigat sa aking luggage. Yung mga kape ni mama na 1 kilo yung kape. Not the kape, the gatas, 1 kilo yung powder. Yun yung nagpabigat talaga dun sa aking luggage. So ngayon, dahil ang damit ni Holly, isa lang kaming side, hindi pa yun puno. So magdadala tayong mga ganyan. Oh, baby. Hinihintay ko yung sawsawan ko. Thank you, Lord. Kahapon, di ba, nagsimba kami? Aircon yung simbahan. Kasi doon sa Bicol, hindi aircon. Doon sa pinunta namin, aircon siya. Ano pinaka mo natin? Tayo? Dito yung dirty kitchen. Yeah? More. Okay. Just be careful not to drop it, Baba, the container because it's gonna crack, okay? Get one and then I will put the lid again. And then if you want more, just ask me. Okay. Ang dami nito. Oh, ang nipis niya lang. Sobrang nipis. Ay, ayan na nga. Naputol na. Nasabit dun sa ano. Parang gusto ko rin. tumikim na pero viral. Yun natin yung ano. Yung gulay. Diyos ko, gulay na papaya. Gulay naman ako nito doon sa bahay. Nung etong taon, hindi ko lang alam kung na-vlog ko siya. Kasi, hindi ako araw-araw nag-vlog. Dahil ayoko matambakan. Yung vlog. So, hindi ko alam kung na-vlog ko. But yeah, naggulay ako. Eto, ano lang, siguro 2 months ago. Gulay lang din ang kinakain ko. Nagustuhan ko itong shirataki rice ng pinsan ko. Kasi ako, nag-order din ako ng shirataki rice. Ibang brand. Ito, gusto ko to. Magdadala rin tayong shirataki rice. And mag-order na ako para mapadala sa Bicol. Text ko na yung kapatid ko. Dakulaan man na laagan mo, mother. Salamat. Nagkam ka na. Ininain natin magkakam. Ayun na.
Ikaw na ako.
Hoy, mabangon, mahamutan ang ano, ang suwa.
Paano sa'yo mo yun mo?
Oo. Nahamutan. Ang bango-bango ng ano, kalamansi. Nilagyan ni mamang 3 maliliit na sili. Kain tayo. Ganyan lang natin ang konting rice. Do you wanna try baba? Do you wanna try this fish? Yeah, good. Ang dami niya nakain eh. Sinubuan ko siya. Kasi nga, di ba, maga-eto niya. Pero mas better siya today compare kahapon. Pero sinusubuan ko siya kasi hindi niya maganon. So, 2 beses ko na siya sinubuan kagabi. Saka ngayon. Kinakain ko yung sili. Hindi siya ganun kaamang. Itong sili nito. Kain muna ako.
Yeah, could you send your SIM card?
Oh, why I can ring daddy?
Because you're ringing on Messenger.
No, I'm ringing daddy FaceTime.
Messenger.
FaceTime, babe. I do FaceTime with you.
FaceTime on Messenger. FaceTime on Messenger.
Show me, Dad, for a second.
What are you doing? Oh yeah, she got bites, hon.
Can attack those?
Yeah. Yesterday was worse. That's like that one is subside already.
It's raining.
It's raining today, so we just stay home.
We're playing cricket
Where?
in our backyard.
With Dad? I miss you, Sak. Do you miss mommy? Sak? Sak?
Yes, Mom, I do.
Do you miss?
Yes.
Do you miss Mama? What you been doing?
Yeah, why didn't you answer yesterday? Why didn't you answer yesterday?
You did. I didn't receive any call.
Twice.
No, I didn't receive any calls.
Yeah, you did.
We were at the mall, and then yeah, I didn't receive calls from you guys. Make sure you close it properly, Baba. Don't do that.
We're
What-
playing at 5.
What you been doing aside playing cricket? Mahina ang internet. Do you miss me, Zach? How's your food? Zach, how's your food? Is Daddy feeding you good? Wala, hindi ko...
Yes.
Like what?
Sausages and that.
Have you cooked my schnitzel?
Once.
That's it, once.
TJ had twice. We haven't had any.
TJ twice, and you haven't anything yet. So you haven't tried my schnitzel. You're so guapo. I miss you. I miss you, kuya. So guapo. How's the weather? Is it really hot? Really hot?
It's a bit windy.
Ah,
Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday's hot.
okay.
It's like 32 and 34.
Okay. I miss you.
Yes, Bob.
We went.
What's it? Think what?
Huh?
Why do you always sit in that chair?
Why I always sit on the chair?
That chair.
I'm working.
Show me.
Why show me here? Here's my laptop.
What's in front of you?
In front of me, this one. A lot of food. I know.
That's your camera, not
Sorry. That's why. I said. I think I'm showing you. I'm showing in front of the camera. Well, how to do this? Okay, that one. Do you
There's
want?
lots of food.
We got lots of food. Do you want to see our apples? I'll show you the apple. I'll
I'll show
get.
you.
I'll get one.
No. This is huge. See? Huge apple. There, Papa, there. Look, Zach. Closer, Holly.
That's massive, you know.
I know. It
The
is.
same size as ours.
Huh? It's
Holly, compare it to your head.
compared to your head, though.
Is that big? Yeah.
The
Massive.
tiny one.
Wait, when are you going to Biko? Whatever.
The 18th.
Thursday,
On the 18th.
18th. Thank you.
You're spending Christmas there.
Yeah, all of us are going. But I'm gonna, Holly, Mom, Holly, Lola, and I are
Are
going.
they there? Are they there?
Oh, Tita is working and the kids are at school. They still have school.
How long?
Oh, until this week. Until Friday. But we're leaving, that's why we're leaving first on the 18th and then they're gonna fall on the 20th.
Wait, so what you saying? You will...
And Tita will come back on the 23rd here because she still have work. Then back to Bicol again on the 24th
And then me...
because she still have work until 24.
And then me and us will go time zone.
Yeah.
Oh.
Mom, what did you say? Me, you...
Lola are going to Bicol first on Thursday. Then Tita and the cousins are coming on
20th?
20th. Yeah, so I think that's Friday.
Is that upstairs?
I know Saturday. Yeah.
Can I show them upstairs? Can I show them upstairs, Mom?
There's the upstairs circle.
I'll show them.
No, it's alright. That's the stairs, see?
What's through that door?
Oh, that's the
left.
going to the this kitchen. Going to the kitchen.
No, the one on the left. Next
This-
to the kitchen.
That's going.
Let's go to go outside.
That's
Look.
going. This one going the dirty kitchen.
Dirty.
Dirty kitchen's like outdoor kitchen. Bakit ko sa inyo pinapakita? Mali. That one, Zach?
This
Huh?
one?
That's a outdoor kitchen.
Yeah. Do you like upstairs?
Yeah, I'll show you something. Wait. No. Good afternoon. 12:20 na. Continuation na lang to ng vlog kahapon. Kahapon kasi, di ba, kausap ko yung mga boys and tagal namin sa phone. Hindi kami umalis kasi umulan din. And today, hindi ko alam kung aalis kami. Depende sa weather. Ang traffic kasi ngayon lumabas. Lalo na palapit ang Pasko. Si Holly nagpapaluto ng spam. Ako, ito yung ulam ko. Sigarilyas pala yan. Tuna. And pritong galunggong and my rice. Afternoon na pa ba? Late din to, gumising. Ayan. Nakabihis na rin siya.
Better.
Better. Yung kanyang hands better today.
Yeah, I think that's just blocking it.
And then, magre-rebook ako ng ticket namin. Na-stress ako sa aking return. Basta ikwento ko na lang sa inyo next time. Mamaya tatawag ulit ako. Kahapon tinawagan ko rin pala sila bago ko kausap yung mga bata ata noon. Yes, bago ko sila kausap. Tumawag ako sa PAL. Nakakainis. So ngayon, tatawa ako, tsaka we'll see. Makaribo kami ng ticket. Nagpa-uwi. Mali kasi yung nailagay nilang kasi rinibook ko siya sa phone. Kasi nagre-rebook kami ni Jan online. Hindi ko, ang problema kasi every time kami rebook, yung kay Holly lang talaga. Yung boys, okay naman. Pag nilalagay yung year ng birthday, laging error. So, ilang beses namin trinay. So, ang ginawa ko noon, tinawagan ko na lang yung PAL. Dito, nasa Australia pa, tinawagan ko PAL. Tapos, sinabi ko kung ano yung ticket na nakita namin online. So, hinanap niya. So, alam niya yung, kasi nilagay ko yung pag-alis namin at saka yung return. Ayan na. Thank you, ate. Ayan pala, naputol tayo. Ayan yung beans na gusto niya. Tapos, napaluto siyang spam. Thank you. Say thank you, Lola. So, nung pagtawag ko sa kanya para i-book kami na lang doon sa ticket na gusto ko, yung pag-alis namin, return. Tapos lang namin kumain. Hindi naubos ni Holly. Kumain. Baba, can you get my clamp? My clamp upstairs, please, so I can...
Sure.
Thank you. Mag-hold ako. I-hold ko to sa inyo mga napamili natin. Kasi ipapak na yan doon. Ipamimigay kasi yung halos na nabili natin ng mga BLK is ipamimigay sa mga may mga kasi ako doon pamangkin na din ng mga dalaginding, tapos sila tita din gusto rin ng mga lipstick. Hurry up, baby. Ang buko basa. Okay na, pwede na siyang itali. So unahin natin BLK. Nauna si Holly, hinol na to. Yung kanya hinol niya na sa Reels. Pero pakita ko pa rin dito sa inyo. So, madami tayong nabili sa BLK. Nag-ask ako ng pouch. Kasi nga, dito natin ilalagay yung ating pang-regalo doon sa Bicol. So, ayan. Kung ilan yung pieces ng binili natin, yun din yung piraso nito. Nasa 40 plus or 40. Then, binigyan niya din ako ng paper bag. 8 ata ito.
I got it.
Thank you. Tapos, pag na-reach nyo yung, meron silang parang minimum. Pag na-reach nyo yun, nagbibigay sila ng free, makeup pouch or toiletries bag. Ito, isa to. Saka eto, dalawa nito. Where's the other one? Here.
That's mine.
Ayan, dalawa. So, pinapili niya ako kung gusto ko 4 nito, wala nito. Or 2 nito, meron kang ganito. So, pinili ko, si Holly nagpili nito, 2 nito, kasi anuhin ko naman yan. Tapos, isa nito para sa pag-travel. Maganda siya. Ayan. Nabuksan na to ni Holly kasi nga siya unang nag-hold. Diba? O, cutie lang siya. Ganyan siya pag na-isara. And, ganyan ka spacious yung loob. So, meron ditong zipper din. Para may division siya. So, pwede nyo ilagay yung skincare, brushes, ayan.
That's for traveling.
Yeah.
And the traveling on here.
Yeah, but I have the other one. This is for when we go back to Australia. Then, this one, meron na itong laman. Ayan. Kasi nga, you already hold this one. Ito yung nabili niya sa BLK. This is safe for the kids. So, pang bata talaga to. Kaya nakakuha rin siya.
And this.
This is blush on. Ito yung kanyang,
They can show up.
what do you call this? Applicator. Ano siya? Sponge.
You can show to me.
And mabango. It
Yeah,
smells
it does.
good.
Yeah, because, wait.
Ayan, ayan.
Don't touch me.
Mabango siya. No, don't. It's alright. There's still more than mabango. Ah, you're looking for the scent. Ah, I cannot read this, Baba.
It's
Watermelon?
pop a melon.
Ha?
Pop a melon.
Poppy?
Pop a melon.
Pop a melon daw. Okay. So, ayan.
You have to do it both again.
So, sabi ko sa kanya, simutin niya para hindi sayang. One ano lang, one pump lang. How many pump did you?
One.
One. One pump lang siya. So, ayan yung kanyang applicator. Tapos, is, closer. Ito sa Australia pa to galing.
Yeah. These are
And then, I
from
have to
China.
show the other one. Ah, no, okay. Nag-ano lang siya, parang spring. Oh. Okay, that's it. And my mirror.
That's for
And
the bottom.
this is the product.
Be careful because that's a sponge.
Ah, is it sponge?
Mhm.
Okay, sponge daw yan. Tapos yan yung mirror.
So you can take that.
So I think we're gonna get
More.
more when we come back.
Should
Para
we get
sa...
all the shapes?
We'll see. If we have more money. If we have money left. After mabuko yung ating...
I'm saving up.
Ha?
I'm saving
After
up.
we rebook our ticket, we'll see.
That's mine.
Ayan, BLK ulit. This is a lip balm.
Great.
Grape flavor.
Scented.
Ang bango. Oo, scented niya.
You can do it on my lips so they can see.
Oh, ayan siya. So, meron na silang pambata. Sa mga mahilig dyan na anak na makialam sa mga makeup ng mami. Ayan, dali nyo sila sa sa BLK. Glossy lang siya, ang bango. Alright, this is
Ay,
yours,
glitter.
Roberta. Okay, this is done. I will remove this one here.
And, Mom, you didn't mention
What?
it's easy to clean.
It's easy to clean.
But I don't think you can get this dirty.
This is silicone. Para siyang gel. No, yeah, gel. Gel, ano yun? Ganda.
Silicone.
Silicone, okay. So, yun yung laman nito. Pero yung isa ay product from BLK.
Be okay.
Okay. This one. Ito muna. This is from Get Ready With Me. Ang mura.
It just has that down.
Mura sa lahat. Compare sa Happy Skin, Sunny's Face, and BLK. Ito yung pinakamura. Okay, so this is the Get Ready With Me face card. Ito yung parang lalagyan. So, magkaiba kasi yung lalagyan. So, bumili na ako ng lalagyan. Nasa 400 plus ata to 5. Basta, nakalimutan ko. Pero mura siya. So, ito yung kanyang itsura. Wala siyang laman. Magnetic daw to.
I see.
Ayan. So, bumili tayo nito. Then,
There's nothing in there.
there's nothing. Yeah, because this is just the case
For what?
for the product that we bought. So, this is,
Oh, that's for that.
yeah. So, bumili ako ng, Baba, I cannot read.
Cat,
Okay, wait.
customized face palette.
Oh, yeah, customized face palette. So, eto, pwede siyang lagyan ng 4. But yung binili ko is, this one is, contour for your nose.
Contour.
So, powder contour for your nose. So, hindi ko nga lang, can you read the shade, Holly?
That.
I don't know where
That doesn't say the shade.
doesn't say.
Wait, let me see this one.
Tapos, eto highlighter sa nose. So, basta eto yung brown,
Wait.
pang contour, and then eto yung parang dito sa
It's
side,
Bronzer powder twilight.
twilight, this
Wait,
one.
let me see. Yeah, twilight.
Twilight. How about this one? Buti na lang may kasama tayong tagabasa.
Sets matte powder fixer pretzel.
Oh, eto Hollow Veil highlighter. Ang tawag. Hollow Veil.
Guys,
Highlighter.
But you have to peel that off.
Yeah.
And then there's a mirror here. Just need to peel this.
So, nandito pala. Air Set Matte Powder Fixer.
And
Ayan,
no, that's
fixer.
not the shade.
Yeah, this one.
Oh,
Pretzel. Is it?
pretzel. Pretzel, because there's a Z.
Pretzel. Oh, pretzel daw po, guys.
Pretzel.
Pretzel. Yeah, it is.
Pretzel, because there's a Z.
Pretzel is because it's the Z. And this one is Twilight. So, ayan yung kinuha natin siya. So, okay. Lagay na nga natin. Maganda sana yung ano lang. Mas mura daw kasi ito compare kung kukuha ko yung paisa-isa nito. Nasa
Did you see
200,
this one?
nasa 250 yung 250, I might be wrong. Basta
Champagne.
champagne.
I think that's what it says.
Ah, okay. Champagne pala to, guys. Champagne yung kanyang shade. So, yung highlighter, champagne. This one is Twilight, yung contour.
And then
This one is pretzel.
yeah, pretzel.
Pretzel. Oh, yeah.
And then you just have to take it out. You have to peel this off as well, Mom.
Yeah. So, why this one? What's this? Ah, may cover yung dalawa. May cover dito. Dito wala.
Why?
Nilagay na natin. Oy, be careful, Baba, ha? Baka ma-drop mo yan. Ayan. Then, galing. Ayan lang siya, oh. Oh, ay.
I don't think you can get that back out.
Huwag na natin tanggalin. Ba't ayun, nalagay ko na yung isa. Okay. So, ayan. Twilight.
Where are you gonna put that one?
Yeah. Ba't kaya? Ano ba ako?
Oh, it was good. Is it like a highlight?
Mm-hmm. Ay, may ano na. Ayan na siya, guys. So, hindi siya mahuhulog kasi magnetic siya. Yung dalawa may cover. Okay, just tanggalin nga natin yung plastic. Oh, yun lang kung matanggal. Wait, bago.
Scratches in here.
Ayan.
Oh, this sounds so good.
So, ayan siya.
So pretty.
Okay. Done with this, my God. It's already
It's already
10 minutes. Okay, done with this. Let's move to this one.
There's that mostly like
So, this one, eto yung akin. Kung anong laman nito, kasi kumuha ko ng tigi-isa din. So, nandito na siya.
we got these.
And nandito yung, parang hindi ko na ilabas lahat. Ayan siya. Ayan yung mga products.
It's a hair.
Then, si Holly, binilang ko siya ng ano niya, para sa kanyang dancing.
Okay.
This is 3. Where's the other one? Ito siya.
Magnet.
Ano siya, magnet. So, tanggalin na rin natin. Mamaya na to. So, kasi sa kanyang sa kanyang concert, this year, ang required is gold and brown. And
But we
red
already
lipstick. And fin. So, I don't know next year, but kinuha pa rin natin yung color ng kanyang requirement sa dance. Hopefully, the same pa din. Golden. So, this is eye stock. Ganyan siya. Ganyan yung itsura niya. Ano na, Baba? Can you do it?
Get it.
So, yan. Yan yung kanyang shade.
Got it.
Pink, gold, and white.
Okay. I'll show them.
This is the
This one.
yung parang cover. This is the cover. Kasi makikita nyo to walang cover, diba? So, ito yung pang ibabaw natin. But this one, meron na tong laman din. So, ayan yung kay Holly. Brown, champagne, and highlighter.
This one has,
This is the shade. I cannot read that. So
Sorry.
this one.
it is mocha,
Mocha.
mocha,
Mocha.
oh, matte mocha, bronze,
Mhm.
and warm glaze.
Warm glaze. So this one, how about this one? Careful.
Moonstone,
Okay. Mahirap siyang basahin din eh. Puti pa.
pink opal,
Opal.
opal,
Yeah, it's so, I cannot, if you can't read that one, I can't. Puti kasi yung basta yan siya guys. Oh, ganyan yung shade niya. Oh.
this one,
Ayan. So, hindi niya rin mabasa kasi puti. Oh. Then, we're gonna stack. Like this. See? Ayan. Ganun natin. Oh, di ba? Ang bilis.
help me.
Ulitin natin. Ayan.
And by the way,
Magnetic din siya eh. Oh.
this one is soft brown, sunset glow, and blushing pearl.
Blushing pearl. So, ayan yung kanyang shade. Okay, Baba. Let's start. Oh. So, this one. Oh. Ang galing.
Wait.
Ayan na siya.
You have to show them.
Ganyan lang. Tapos, pwede ka pang bumili ng more. Tapos, stock mo lang. Di ba? Napaka-slick niya lang. Ang ganda tong dalhin. Hindi bulky.
So it's better when you have to get
Yeah,
the
the other one.
you
Yung
just-
ginagamit natin. So, okay. We're done with this. So, this is eye stock. Snap, swap, shade. Oh, snap, swap, shade daw.